Malolau malia ho eiki melele e tonga hono kotoa. Whiawhia ke utalitalele ki mautol ki ho mo uni o ngongo mo le tio ka umafuka televisione tonga ki he houani. Whakaikoia ki he ngahi ulu I ngongo. I kuna a toke tāwela mlātu ka kaitokon palemia I hopo na whakailo ia ki ai whakau ake me mau I ai lao fili whalealea. Uki e he palemia o tonga ai kau Minister Police Pasifiki ke nau ngau whataha ki hono tau I ai netueka whatu tāmaki I hono whiawe aki hole whaitoa Tongatapu I he Pasifiki. Pea I ai ho haalahi me he ngahi kautaha teksi ke hiki koia te tonga kolo alolo ko hiko wesi ai e nau ngahi se wesi. E te ia ipe me ngahi talanoa ke he ana yangi whakataha me wakai ke whamimutaha me mala e o sipoti kai uma a foki ai whakamatala ea. Makai lewa eni ke whai kiki ko au sinori tātu I vai. Na e kuna ai tokon palemia ka koe Minister Potungai Komesi, Consumer whi whakatau aki, I lofo o mo ngāwe e kakai toke tāwele am Latu I he hopo na e whakailo ia ki ai whikau aki me mau I o e lao fili whalearea. Ko hilia hono whakailo hono kaunga kantiteiti mi wawa utahaono ko e toa te lavu o whikau aki me fili whalearea na e whakahoko I Novema o e tauko o si. Ko e hopo sivile ko e nine tak tā whawhawhonga I pe e he talatala aki, aia ko e toa te lavu ia, pe a whawhawhonga I pe e he whakailoa, toke tāwele am Latu ia o I kai ha ana whawhawhonga lao. Ko e hopo ko e ni, na e whakamāwai, e whakamāulahi leo Honourable Justice Elizabeth Langi, aina e tāla e tūtu uni ane awhio whakawhau mai pe I he polo kalama wha teknolosia ko Zoom, pe me I wawao. O ko mahino I he ralotonga whakahoko ai hopo na e whakahutu o ua te whakailoa toke Tagalato, ai tohi ke whakata au ngai ai hopo ko e ni. Makatuunga me he ikai ke iai haka whakamuoni pau ai talatalaki, kāna e tūtūne whakamau whatatau ke hena tula o I whakailo o kumalawa pe ke hoko atu ai hopo. Kai ke hena whakahua atu ai whakailo a lavu aki ai tuka ki e hongo fulu maa wha, kana e tālipe e whakamau ai tuka ki I e ono. Ko ngai tuka ki e ono koe ni, nei tuka ki aki e lavu a toke Tagalato, ai aka uluake koe mau I ai lau fili, ko I kai ke to'o ai pena I he wheitu ufai anga fili I he aho, na e whakahoko ai fili. Whakailo honoa koe mau I lau fili I mataika wawao, I he siasi pesiliana tau ataina o Tonga I mataika, I he ene whaaki ai paanga e tahawhe I he aho hiva o September ta uko o si I loto eni I he mahina e tolu pea whai ai fili. Tuko ki whika tolu koe mau I ai lao fili whalealea I he ene whaaki o te puha sipi e ua pea moi paanga tahawhe ki he kulupu tautu o se aswesiriana o ta anea I he aho tahawha o Novema wanoa wanima I loto I he mahina e tolu. Ko e tuka ki I whika wha, ko e mau I ai lau fili whalealea I he ene whaaki ai paanga ni mangeau I he konseti a kau akapulu I lei mātua I he aho tahatolo o Norema o e tauku osi, pe ki he paanga tahawhe I oka topa o e tauku osi ai pe. Ko e tuka ki I whika nima, ko e whaaki ha paanga tahawhe ki he ofisa kolo o Holeva I he aho tahatolu o Novema wanoa wanima I loto pe I he mahina e tolo pe a whai ai fili. Pe koe tuka ki I whakaosi, koe whakahua atu ai whakamatala paanga I kai ke mo oni mo totonu ki he komson fili o whikau aki eni mo ene whakamore whakapaanga I he wā I taimine whakahoko ai ai kempeini. Nea ui e lavu ene kau whakamone toko hongo fulu pe au I toke Tālatu a ene kau whakamone e toko nima. Kana e tūtūne whakamau ai I kai kene tāli ngai tuka ki ne whakahua atu e lavu, makatuunga me he I kai lava e he talatalaki o whakahoko ene whakamonta e toe veiua ki he whakailoa. I he ene pehe nei tūtūne ai e he whakamau ke to tongotoa e he talatalaki lavu ai ngai whakamole whakapaanga e whakailoa toke tā miliami Latu. Na e uki e he eiki palemia o Tonga no pele whawhanua e kau Minister Polisi ke Pasifiki ke nau ngau e whakataha ki hono tau I koia pe tēkolo I ani ihi o kuna whiawe aki te whakalao ai whaitō Tongatapu I he potutahi o e Pasifiki. Ko ene mea eni I he whakataha ai kau Minister Polisi Pasifiki I fisi I he wike kua osi.
I he mea a eiki palemia no pele whawhanua. O kwhai e whengawe aki mālohi ke siofia e ngahi matawaiwai I e ngahi kau a whanua. Ko hi koe malui I he hūta e whakalao holo ai whaito o Tongatapu. Ko e tokanga, Ko uhi ko mālohi ne tueka ni ihi o ku nau tu whaki ai whaito o Tongatapu, pe o ku kamata ke nau ngau e whakataha ke toi mohu whaunga ange a e nau tu whaki ai whaito o Tongatapu. Ihe ene pehe, o ngau e whakatahai e kau Minister Polisi e Pasifiki ke tau I ai fo'u whakatū tāmaki ko e ni.
Kau kakai koe ni ngau e koe ki he whaitoko Tongatapu I he Pasifiki o ku kamata ke mahino mai o ku ngau e whakataha ai ukengi. Pēwhoki ki he u syndicate o kamata ke nau whengau e aki. Pea mahino mai ko fu networka whatu tāmaki mo mālohi au pito ia. Pea o ku whatonga he kau komisiona koe ni he Pasifiki, pēwhoki ki he Hoik Minister Polisi o Pasifiki, whema o ia ke tau I networka a ke hatoi networka. Pea ko ia mau kaua mo ngau e whakataha, ke mau share ngahi intelligence, mo reporti, mo ngau whengau e akwa ofi ange, ai u kautaha polisi, pa mo u kautaha whapurea mo I kai whapureanga he tawhako intelligence, pa mo e lao, ke mau ngau e whakataha ke malu I ki tau tolu. He ku mahino mai, I kai ke toi hoko pe a tongani ko transit hub, kau hoko Pasifiki tai min ko destination. Tau ke toi ia wheitua toi I longa ai mea ko ia ka ofisi u fuwa ofi a pito mo Tonga pa whai hoha a pito ke hoko ato hono malu I tau kau a whonua.
Ko konga eni e ngau e kau taki I he Pasifiki ke malu I ai kau a whonua me tu whake whaito o Tongatapu I he ngai whonua o Pasifiki. Ma ai o ngonga le te om televisione Tonga, ko auri I tea tau kapo.
I he hiki ko eni ai to tongi o e koloa lolo. O ku iai ai hoha alahi mo e tokanga makehe me I he ngahi kautaha teksi, kai pehe ki ngahi teksi loli uta mai a mamafa, ka huiga wesia I he hiki ko eni ai lolo a e nau ngahi pe wesia nau kau customer, kai pehe foki ki he ni ihi ko nau ngai aki e nau sevesi, pehe foki he paanga ho mai whafoi tui tui ai ngahi kautaha. Li te atau kapo mo e whaikiki.
I he whaki eke ai o ngonga le te o Tonga, mani ihi o kau whaka uri teksi, lori uta mea mamafa, nai pehea e kātoa tō tau, o iai a e nau tokanga, kou hiko hiki ko eni ai lolo, e hiki mo e nau ngahi to tongi, ke lava o mau mo e nau ngahi whakamole.
Koe ko ngā lahi mahalo ku lahi ange, kai ke toi loko maa kasto mai tai mini he kau o mai kofi e mau haia lori. Ai aku sisi he tai mini. Ko ngā ku to hiki fuku mai mau tongi a mato. Ko ne hiki peko ti soro to hiki mai mau tongi ke finga ke lava kawa mai mau whakamore koe. Ai utu kou ma whai ako toke mau mea lele. Koe ongo ai hiki e lolo. Pa koe mea pe whai koe whakapoto e lele takai holo koe ke mau inga ke te whai ngahi lele noa ia takai holo. Toki ai pia mea mau inga kuwhi mau pa toki whai ha lele o whai holo mau e hori.
Lolo tonga eni, na e pehea e sione la volo, koe toka ngā. Ko hiko hiki ko eni ai lolo, oku iai, pe oku hola whai e manakoa a e nau ngā ue o whakahoko.
Tau whatawanga pe ki koe ngata anga pe no hiki. Ka pau te tau te whanonga, ka wai taimi, te tau te whai whanonga pe hiki ki olunga. Kou tui malpe au pe ki ha taimi, he kai ki te whai ha omi au whai ha ngā ue pe heni. Makatonga mi hafu ma olunga hiki e lolo. Pea kapau e kei whanonga pe ki tōnga ko niu. Kau pe whawhia maari pe ke whai. Ai whatongia ko e ni. Pea koe whatongia ko e ni ku ataha pe ke hataha kotoa pe. Ke hau o whie ngau e aki mau tolu ke hane uta. Ko he koe mea ni umau ai whoi maa family. Ko tupe ku iai hono uesia hiki ko e ni. Kono uesia hiki ko e ni kua pau pe ke toi ngā unua ke moe mautotongi ki o lunga. Ki he sevesi koe mai kakai, he hiki koe ni e lolo. Pea koe kutui koa aku ki he hiki ko e ni o kukau e nia he fu hiki maa o lunga o pita pita tuunga e lolo. Pea iene maa o lunga koe hiki tuunga e lolo, kua pau pe ke mau ngā unua pe moe mautotongi. E mau sevesi mai kakai koe ia pe.
Nai peheai e luto viko kolo, o ku lahi ai liliu o ku hoko, pea ko hiki ko eni ai lolo kua pau pe ke whakatatau ki e nau ngahi ngā ue o ku whakahoko.
liu la he mea kotoa pe mau whatongi au whai. Tau te whitu ke whenga ngā koe no mau whai koe ti liwa ngahi koloa he ngahi lori utai. Peko hiki ndengo hiki lolo paupeke te ai mo whi ke tama whai whatongia. Whakatatau ke kuaritie mea ngā ngawe aki pere ngesi. Tau te whitu ke he uta pere ngesi mo ke hao mo malu. Hubuai sialahe hikon e lolo. Mau inga upito ke tausio ke pure anga. Ke na whakapoto he rewa e patseti. Ke tokoni lahi ke kakai he mea peheni. E alo hiki e lolo whakamaman lahi. Kau tau ki i whanua re ke reka ki tau. Tolu ke tau kau he kakau koe ni. He ko mea whakamaman lahi. Kau mahu inga ke pure anga. Ke na whakapoto. Rewa e tau repa koe patseti. Tokoni mai ke kakai ngai mea peheni. Toata ki pese te fia kone hiki koe mea hike wewe. Hike mea kotoa hike vai. Ko ia pe.
Hilia, nai whakahoko ai ai whakaike eke mo pule o holiday taxi, lisia te wata. Nāne pehe o ku paupe ke iai ai wesia i e nau ngahi customer. Pea ku nau whenga pe ke tauhi ai totongi i he totongi lolotonga ke iai pe hanau customer.
Kono mo ni pe no ko no wesia I o mo na pito pe pa pe ke wesia e holo e fia lo aki e kakai mon mia ta o si I lo pe ka ko no lele ka ke fu ya mata vai va pito no lele mo mo sio ke ka u fa mo nge pe o sia te ngai ta wo ka holo I fo ka ta fa nga mali e ko ma pe na ki fo lo pe ni lele mai ma nga ka na e to ko ni mai e pure anga o si hiki mai ki mui ni mai e totongi o mo ki whainga maari e pe ai. Ka koe mea wham, koe ka customer pe hoki e nau whia maari e koe nau whia maari e pe pa whainga fua ai e bau. Nā hiki atua mo mea koe te he ka hata hai a ham. Tau lotu koe mo whakaamu nā ha whainga maari e pe he pawe ni mai pe ke whaholo I whai. Koe whia maari e me businessi mo e kakai. Ta whia anga mea e ka hau. Whaamu pe ia.
O kwa mahino mai, ai ngahi ola I he kaka ko eni ai totongi lolo, peo I kai ke ngata pe I he kau businessi, ka ku kau ki ai me kakai o whanua whalu kufua. Mai o ngonga le te om televiso ni Tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo.
Pe ana I toi puke kau polisia toko waful maa fitu I he whaostinga o wike o whilawe I tonu moe whakauri kona. Ko toko wafitu koe ni ne puke ki nau tolu he pōwhala I te wike ku osi ata pe. Ne kau kia toko wanoa koe kakai tangata po koe toko fitu koe kakai whewhine. I he whakamau popele ko te kau polisi I he māhina ku osi ne malawa ki sivi e kau whakauri e toko tolu a whetupu. Koe ni ihi ko eni I he toko tolu a whetupu koe ni koe peseti e hiwaua te smali tahai o iai e nau whilawe I tonu moe maukawa mālohi pia whakauri. I he māhina kua osi ata pe ka toko te au wahiwa na e puke koe whakauri kona ai koe toko walwhai koe kakai tangata pa koe toko tolu nima koe kakai whewhine. Kai kehe koe konga ene ngau ka polisi ke whapapau I oku hao mo malo I kakai whanua I hono ngawe aki ai whewhanunga aki I he hala pule anga. Uni o ngong whalot whanua pia ki heo wan te tamakai lewa hini ke whamumita me mala ai o sipoti o kahili eni mo pia olie.
I he whetaki ni mai komisoni whamawhora rea Tonga me potunga au e ngahi ngā ua whalota whanua pe mia. Malawa I ke whamawhora te mala e sipoti me whea ahi Super Rugby Pacific wanoa ua no. Whamalo ke 8 Minister me tawai sipoti ai potunga au e I whenga e aki ua whakahoko. Malama tau ki whelonga ki koe wakaini ke mala e o sipoti. Kua tuange mai he whaako I karitahi te vita toi foa e ne squati toko noa te te watu ki he whiahu ipu e Pasiki pe Pacific Nations Cup wanoa ua no I he mahina katu ua whahoko ki he wahenga Amerika mo Kanata. I he whamatana tohi kua tukuange mai me he whaiako na ne whaha ai ko I ni heni o ku whainga maari e mai ki he tesi mo Zimbabwe se beni ka peheki Potukari he mahina katu ua. O ku kei kafua I e kapteni penta me funa pia mo e ni tokolahi. Ke hea pe me he squati ko ni pe amanaki te nau horoni mai I he temi ahi ko ia ki iulo pe whasinga o ta o. Lo tonga ni o ku tui whia mai I he squati ko ni ai forward taka tu toko timi ta wano fafanua no sila Jimmy Tupou mo maratolu malolo o breki atu nai sa mori hiloki misini fata mo foki fo a halareva fita mo Adam Coleman I he tautoa e whakawhakaua me ia e se ni are Patrick Pellegrini mo senta tu toko ai o breki Peter Aki ka e akasope mai e Daniela Filimone ia automaka mausia Angelo Tuitavoki mo terusa via inu I kau kapakau mo reo kolo kai ke e tawhimana e kare tahi mo Zimbabwe e a wha siulai a Amerika paki mo se peni a tahataha pe a tātuku mo Portukari a taha walu I Kanata whakatou osi. Ko e sikoati ko ia ai I kare tahi forward ui mai kia e Siegfried Visi Hoi atunai sa Mori, Fatongia Paia, se Kope Mori, se Mori, J. Fonokalafi, Phil Kite, Paula Latu, Adam Coleman, Harevan Fifita, Sione Tui Pulontu, Vekoso Poloniati, Jimmy Tupou, Semisi Paia, Sam Tui Tupou Jr., o tunuku pauta mo lotu inisi, ko e tautua a reva, ko Sonatani Takulua, Augustine Polo, Siausi Ngini, Patrick Pellegrini, William Haveli, Solomone Kata, Peter Aki, Feturi Paia, Otumaka Mausia, Fine Inisi, Daniela Filimone, Angelo Tutavoki, kai befoki kia te lusa vea inu. Ko e mala e pia usipoti.
Ko pia o lie me whamimita me he mala ai o stipoti. Te tawa kai lewa hini ki he tuunga o e ea. Tuk mai me senta whamidara ea tonga I whamotu. Pea mo I potunga I meidek whakahaukatea ili neni Latu.
Malalau mali a hoi ki mo lelea tonga kotoa. Teta lelea pe ki mo toke mo whamata ea koe ak tuku atu e whiawhini. Ka tau wakai ke ngai tānoa la lahi koe e aho. Tau ki whaiwhanonga atu e pe mo hawiri hako hako. Ta tau pe I ngai whaiwhanua pa pe he ki ngai potahi. Tau whaiwhanonga atu I he aho ni. Pea lai alo mali pe ke kotoa o tonga e ta whaiwhanonga te hua wawha. Ko ia ka hoko mai whatonga e I ene alo mali ke iai pe ngai konga au ne whetukutuku mai mehe hake mo tonga hake. Ki ho tau eria, pa tene ke o mai e pe o hatu moto. Ia ngai wheitu pe ni he ngai whaiwhanua ta whaiwhanonga I he hoa wawha ko ia ka hoko mai. Ka ki hono ngai whaiki, te lawi atu I ngai imisi ko ia ka hoko mai. Pea mei he imisi sa te laite koe lahi alo mali e pe ki he kotoa o tonga he ta whaiwhanonga tu I he ahoni. Tuku ke he pe ai potahi koe ki whakatonga he ngā onu mai alo tamaki uha koe ni koe me hifo ki he potahini. Ai tene o mai haviri wa haviri whakatuku mau mo uha ki he potahini. Ka ki he kotoa o tonga lahi alo mali e pe he ta whaiwhanonga te ahoni. Tuku ke he pe ha au whia ngai taimi mo uha tu mato pe ia ngai wheitu pe ni tata whiton ki whaiwhanonga Tongatapu mo e ua. Tau wakai ki ngai whakatokanga o kei tupe whatokanga hako ko ia ki he kotoa o ngai whaiwhanua te tau en Tongatapu e ua hapa I wawau pa pe ki o niwa. Pea ki ngai potahi o kei tupe mo whatokanga hawiri whatupu mau te whito ni ki he potahi ko ia tere ki tonga mo tere ki toke lau. Pea o kei tupe mo whatokanga hako ki tonga ngai potahi ai kawai hapai wawau. Ki he o niwa pa pe ki Tongatapu mo e ua. Pea moe whare I ko ia ki ngai wakai ki he kotoa pe o ngai potahi ta whaiwhanonga tu I he aho ni kia pongpongi. Tau wakai ki aho o nima ko ia ka hako mai lahi alo mali e pe ai o tutonga he ta whaiwhanonga tu I he aho ni wao ke whakasinga koe wike tuku ke he pe alo tamaki koe ni ki whakatonga tene ngā unu whakahaka mama o tau eria I he toa pe lulu pea lahi alo mali e pe ki he toinga ko ia o e wikeni. Tau wakai ko ia ki whamatala ea me he whiawhinoa o ki he pongi ko ia au. Lahi alo mali e pe ki he kotoa o tonga. Tu ke pe hao awhia. Ia ngai taimi ki pō koe pōni ki Tongatapu mo ewa. O mai ha uhatu mo tō. Pea ngai wheitu pe ni ki he waiwhanua. Ka ke ia ngai e pe hawiri. Me hake mo tokilawa hake ki Tongatapu mo ewa. Pa pe ki he potahi koe ki whakatonga. Hau pe ke mai re tahe tau noa ki Tongatapu mo ewa. Pea tau nima ki tere ki tonga mo tere ki toke lau. Pea ia upe ke mai re tahe wa nima. Ke toinga ngai potahi koe ia hapai wawao. Pa pe ke o niwa. He tau whaiwhanonga te hauni. Pa ke ia ngai pe hawiri. Me hake matonga hake ki hapai wawao pa pe ke o niwa. Tau fua mawhana au ke he maulalo taha o mawhana I he pōni. Hau ia ke tigrisio siasi wa nima ki he o niwa. Pea tigrisio siasi wa tolu mo wawha ki hapai mo wawao. pea e maula tau ia ki e potai whatonga te grisio siase ua noa, pea ki Tongatapu moi o wao, pea ki he maula tako te grisio siase ua taha. Tau wakai ko ia ki he tunga ia ka pongpongi, lahi alo mali e pe ki a pongpongi, tau whaiwhanonga tu he pongpongi, tu ke pea wao fia ki hapa e mwao ma. Oha tu mato ia ngai wheitu upe ni ka e lahi a wha awa tu pe ki alo mali e ki kotoa pe o tonga e tau whaiwhanonga tu i he pongpongi, kai ke ia ngai e pe haviri, me ia ke moe tonga ke ki kotoa pe o tonga e tau whaiwhanonga te pongpongi, pe ia upe haviri ke maire tahi e to noa ki e potai whatonga, pe toinga koe ngai potahi, e ia upe ke maire tahi wanima, pa pe ke whaiwhanua, ia upe haviri hako, ia ngai taimi ki ngai whaiwhanua. Pe koe fua mawhana ia maalunga tahi, mawhana ki a pongpongi hao ia ki he tirisio sia se wahiwa, ki he ongoni wa pea ua walu ki hapai mo wawao, pea ia upe ki tirisio sia se wa fitu ki Nuku'alofa pe pe ki ewa mo e potai koe whatonga. Ka tau wakai ki he aho toa plelulu, lahi alo mali e pe ki he toa plelulu e ta whaiwhanonga atu i aho koni, pea e ki angai e pe haviri me hake moe tonga hake ki kotoa pe o tonga e ta whaiwhanonga atu ki he toa plelulu. Ka kau wakai koe ki he mamaha moe, tau mari e koe tahi au, tau mari e tahi os mini te wanima me hiwa ki e poni, pea e mahatoka tahi os kuata koe a me tolu ki a hengi. Koe la a moe mahaina, hopo e la os mini te tahataha me fitu i hengi, i he pongpong koe au, pea e hopo mahaina os mini te watolu me hiwa ki e kuata pongpong koe a huhu. Pea whamatala, e a koe a ki he aho e nima koe a kako mai ki Nuku'alofa, kei whi aho atu e pe moe alo mali e tu ke pe hau atu mato ia ngai wheitu pe ni a pongpongi ka koe sio ki he tu ape lulu au ki whausinga koe wike lahi alo mali e pe ki Nuku'alofa. Pe ko fuama whana koe ia au pe ia fuama whana ki a pongpongi au pe ki he aho e nima kako mai au e ki tiki siase wa whitu ki he wahiwa. Pe koe kakato ia tau whamatara ea ki au ni pe maloho mo mea mai ka mo mea.
Ko line ni Latu ia mai whamumui taha ko ia o whamatala ia ki hauani. Ka ki mo apatau mawai, tau toi wakai peheni ki he ngahi ulu i o ngongo. I kuna a toke tāwile am Latu, ka kai tokon palemia i he hopo, nei whakailo ia ki ai, whakau a ki lui mau i ai lao whili whalealea. Uki e he palemia o Tonga, ai kau Minister Police Pasifiki ke nau ngai whataha, ki hono tau i ai netueka whatu tāmaki i hono whiawe a ki hole whaitoa Tongatapu i he Pasifiki. Pea i ai ho haalahi ni he ngahi kautaha teksi, ke hiki ko ia te tongi koloalolo, ke hui koe wesi ai, e nau ngahi se wesi. Pea koe kakate pehe mo uni o ngongo, i lea whatonga me letio, ka uma awha ki television i Tonga ki hauani, mo i ai whaka amune au tonu atu, ki he lota whale o i Tonga a hono kotoa. Whamalo te tau ki whi au mai, ko au sonorita tui vai, ka momea. Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga News for tonight. Making headlines, Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Latu wins election law case. Prime Minister calls on Pacific police ministers to unite against truck trafficking networks, and 27 arrested for drink driving over the weekend. We'll have these and more stories later on in the bulletin together with sports to wrap up with the latest weather update. Now for the stories in details. The Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Trade, Commerce, Consumer Affairs, Innovation and Labour, Dr. Latu, has won the civil case filed against him alleging breaches of Tonga's electoral law. The case was brought by his fellow candidate for Vava'o 16 constituency, Edwate Lavolavu, following the general election held last year. Let's take a look. The civil proceedings were conducted with both parties representing themselves. The case was heard by Acting Chief Justice, Honourable Justice Elizabeth Langi, who delivered her ruling yesterday via Zoom from Vava'o. During the proceedings, Dr. Latu twice applied to have the case dismissed. arguing that Lavu lacked sufficient evidence. However, the judge ruled that based on the nature of the allocations, the matter should proceed to a full hearing. Lavu filed 14 allocations against Dr. Latu, but the court accepted only 6 of them for consideration. The 6 allocations were failure to remove campaign posters from polling areas on election day. Also, distribution of 1,000 Paanga cash at the Free Western Church of Mataikavava'o on 9th of September last year, within the 3-month period before the election. Also, donation of 2 boxes of mutton meat and 1,000 Paanga cash to Free Western Church Group in Ta'anea on 14th of November 2025, also within the 3 months pre-election period. Also providing 500 Paanga cash at rugby concert in Leimatua on 13th of November last year, as well as an additional 1,000 Paanga contributions in October. Also giving 1,000 Paanga to the town officer of Ho'oleva on 13th of November 2025 within the 3 months leading up to the election. And submitting false of financial declarations to the Electoral Commission regarding campaign expenditure during the election campaign period. During the trial, Lavu called 10 witnesses, while Dr. Latu called 5 witnesses in his defense. After reviewing the evidence, Justice Langi ruled that the allocation were not proven, finding that Lavu failed to establish his claim against Dr. Latu beyond doubt. As a result, the court dismissed the allocations and ordered Lavu to pay all legal costs by Dr. Latu. And the Prime Minister, Lord Fafanoa, has called on the Pacific Police Ministers to strengthen cooperation in combating illegal drug trafficking networks operating across the Pacific region. The Prime Minister made the call during the Pacific Police Ministers meeting held in Fiji last week. Let's take a look.
In his remarks, Lord Fa'afanua said there is a strong collaborative effort underway to identify and address vulnerabilities at national borders in order to prevent the illegal movement of illicit drugs. He expressed concern over the growing strength of drug trafficking networks, noting that those involved in the distribution of illegal drugs are increasingly working together and developing more sophisticated methods to expand their operations. As a result, Pacific Police Ministers are working collectively to confront what has become a major regional threat. This is part of the work being undertaken by Pacific leaders to protect our nations and communities from the spread of illicit drugs throughout the Pacific region. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Tongatapu.
Taxi operators and heavy transport truck drivers have voiced concern over the recent increase in fuel prices, saying the rise is expected to affect both their customers and their businesses. Litea Tongatapu with more.
Speaking to Radio Tonga News, the taxi driver Katoa Tōtau said the increase in fuel prices is a concern, as operators may eventually have to raise their fares and service charges to meet operating costs. Another taxi driver, Sione Lavulo, said the higher fuel prices place additional pressure on the transport sector and could affect the demand for their services. Lutoviko Kolo also expressed concern, saying transport operators are already facing various challenges and will need to adjust their operations to cope with the increase in fuel cost. Meanwhile, holiday taxi owner Lisate Wata said the fuel price rise will have an impact on customers. However, he said the company is making efforts to maintain its current fares for as long as possible to minimize the burden on passengers and retain customers. The comments highlight growing concern within the transport industry over the impact of rising fuel cost, with operators warning that the effect may be felt not only by transport businesses but also by the wider public. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, amlitea taukapo.
And police arrested 27 people over the weekend for offences directly related to drink and driving. Let's take a look. The 27 arrests were made during police Operation Contact on Friday night and into early hours on Saturday morning. Of those arrested, 20 were men and 7 were women. According to police records for the past month, officers carried out alcohol testing on more than 3,000 drivers. The data shows that 92.1% of the cases detected were directly related to drink driving offences. During the past month alone, a total of 129 people were arrested for drink driving, including 84 men and 35 women. Police's these enforcement efforts are part of their ongoing work to ensure the safety and security of the public while using the country's road network and transportation system. And that is a local scene. Sport is up next after this break with Pierre Oli. Stay tuned.
Welcome back in sport. The Ikaritahi head coach David Tuifua has named a 30-man squad for next month's Pacific Nations Cup in the United States and Canada. The tournament will feature a new World Rugby competition format, with Tonga set to face Zimbabwe, Spain and Portugal. Captain Bendami Funa remains sidelined through injury, along with more than 30 players who are expected to be available for the European tour in November. Included in the squad are former New Zealand under-20 lock and loose forward Jimmy Dubois and former All Blacks prop Adonai Samori. Meanwhile, former Wallabies lock Adam Coleman and Leva Fifita also return to strengthen the forward pack. In the backs, Patrick Pellegrini has retained his place after an impressive Super Rugby Pacific campaign with Moana Pacifica. The former All Blacks midfielder Peter Aki also returns, while former Tobo College winger Daniela Filimone is set to make his debut in the red jersey. Tonga opens its campaign against Zimbabwe in Denver on July 4th, before facing Spain on July 11th and Portugal on July 18th in Canada. And that's sports news.
That is Pia Olie with the latest sports news. Now for the latest weather update to be presented by Lineni Latu from the Tonga Meteorological Services.
Good evening, Tonga, and welcome to your weather updates from your Tonga Met Service. Our main headline for tonight: strong wind currently affect our land and coastal waters. Fine weather expected for the next 24 hours, and also we may be experiencing some showers of rain in some few places due to a low cloud that moving from east and approaching some few places in our division in the next 24 hours. By looking at the satellite image, a high pressure system to the far southeast dominate the weather system for today, bringing fine weather across Tonga, except some few clouds that moving from the east and approaching some places in central and southern group and bringing some showers of rain, but still few. But for Derek Tonga and Derek Tokelau, a active draft that moving from the west and approaching the southern water in the next few hours, bringing heavy rain and gusty wind for this water, and it is expected to move away in the next few days. By looking at the warning for land areas, strong wind warning still in force for all of Tonga land areas, and also coastal waters, a gale wind warning still in force for Derek Tonga and Derek Tokelau coastal water. Also, a strong wind warning and small craft advisory still in meant for Tongatapu, Ewa, Hapai, Vavau, and the nearest coastal water. By looking at the weather for the next 5 days, a high pressure system to the far south is still dominate the weather system for all of Tonga in the next couple of days. Apart from the draft that lies to the southern water, is slowly moving southeast and away from the group in the next few days. But fine weather for all of Tonga up to the end of this week. Forecast for this evening and up to for tomorrow morning. Fine weather across Tonga, except some few clouds that develop from the east and moving across the central and the southern group. We may be experiencing some shower overnight for night. It will be clear for tomorrow, and wind will still be varying from east and northeast for the southern group and southern water. Central and the northeast will be varying from east and southeast, and up to 25 knots for the northern and the central, and 30 to 35 knots for the southern group. The minimum temperature for tonight, 25 for the northern group for the newest, Hapai for and Wawao 23 to 24, and for the southern group for Tongatapu and Ewa will be up to 20 to 21 degrees Celsius. Outlook for tomorrow, fine weather for across Tonga for tomorrow, except some few clouds. They're moving from the east and bringing some few showers on the central group. And winds still be varying from east and southeast for tomorrow for all of Tonga. Apart from the southern water and the southern group, wind will be varying from the northeast for tomorrow. Maximum for tomorrow, 29 degrees Celsius for the northern group for the newest, 28 for the central for Hapai and Wawao, and 27 degrees Celsius for the southern group and southern waters. Wind speed will be 25 up to 25 knots for the newest and the central group, and for the southern group will be up to 25 to 30 knots at time for Nuku'alofa area and the southern water. Outlook for Thursday. Fine weather across Tonga, winds still be varying from the east and southeast for most part of the group. Fine weather across Tonga, except some cloud that develop from the east and still moving across Tonga on Thursday. Tide prediction for tonight, high tide at 25 minutes past 9 later tonight, low tide at 3:15 early tomorrow morning. Sun and the moon, sunrise at 11 minutes past 7 tomorrow morning, moonrise at 23 minutes past 9 later tomorrow morning. 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa. By looking for tomorrow, we might be experiencing some isolated showers, and for the rest of the week, we may be experiencing fine weather across Nuku'alofa. Maximum would be around 27 to 29 degrees Celsius for Nuku'alofa in the next 5 days. And that's all from your Tonga Met service. Hope you have a lovely evening, and thank you for tuning in.
That is Latu from the Tonga Meteorological Services, and that wraps up your English news package for this hour. But before we part, here's one final look at tonight's top stories. Deputy Prime Minister Tongatapu Latu wins election law case. Prime Minister calls on Pacific police ministers to unite against truck trafficking networks, and 37 arrested for drink driving over the weekend. And that's it for tonight. Thank you for your company. Good evening.